Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Now today we'll be looking at how to install Kali Linux on your virtual machine. You'll have to go to kali.org to install the zip file. You can install the installer image as well, but what I prefer is using the virtual machine. You can click on the recommended option over there. You can see here there are pre-built virtual machines. You can click on the download option in the VirtualBox, which is a 3.4 GB zip file which will be downloaded. And wait for the complete installation to happen of the zip file. And then you can sit back and relax. You can keep your virtual machine open in the background. We'll check if the download was complete. It's still not. Well, here you can see there are installer options as well, which is a time consuming and a huge process. So I think the virtual machine pre-built VMs is a better option than using the installer machines. Though with the installer ones, you can check a lot of things. You can customize the virtual machine during the creation process. But what we are going to use in this process, you can still edit, you can still customize the virtual machine after it has been created. The installation of the zip file is completed. We'll now try extracting the zip file onto our system. We'll try extracting the zip file. The best option now we can do is installing 7-zip, which is used for extracting files. You can download it from Chrome or Brave, any browser that you may be using. Check with your system's compatibility and download it as per required. It comes as a setup file which needs to be installed. And in use of the 7-zip, we can now easily extract the zip file. We'll try using 7-zip now. And let's see if it is getting extracted. Yeah, see. And yeah, we can see that the zip is extracted and we have the disk image as well as the VirtualBox machine. You have to open the VirtualBox machine file and it will directly get imported to your VirtualBox. Now this is importing into your VirtualBox. You don't need to do anything. Yeah, your virtual machine is now starting. Your Kali Linux has been imported. I mean, just try and do the full screen of the Kali Linux. Asking that we have shifted to the full screen using right side control plus right control to save. Our system is getting booted up. We are now the content with the login page. Whenever you are logging in for the first time, the username and password for every user is Kali and Kali. The username is Kali. The password as Kali. We'll now log in. This will consume a bit of time. Yeah, see, not much. It will take us. This is the first time we are logging in. We will now check if everything has been done right. Go to desktop. I'll try creating a file over there. Yeah, see, file one has been created. We'll try creating a folder now. Yeah, we'll try and create a folder using mkdir, and we'll give name as folder one. Yes. See, the folder has been created. We'll try going into the folder. Wow, we've been into the folder now. So that's it for today, guys. This was the complete installation of Kali Linux on a virtual machine. Thank you for joining till now.